Good evening everyone. As we have seen yesterday the problem of mixed design, that is problem 1 using super plasticizer. So today one more problem will be going. So the problem goes like this: arrive at the required mixed proportion to prepare M35 concrete with the following data. So cement 53 grade OPC of specific gravity 3.15, fine aggregate is of zone 2, river sand having specific gravity of 2.65, coarse aggregate crushed angular of 10 mm size with specific gravity of 2.70, super plasticizer specific gravity 2.10 having water reduction of 22%. All of the aggregates are at SSD, that is surface saturated dry condition, means there is no any water content in the aggregates. Increase in fines may be up to 8%. Percentage of fly ash used is 20% maximum. Slum required is 100 mm. Exposure condition is moderate. Assume the missing data and indicate it clearly. So we'll go with the solution. So as we have seen in a previous problem, first we need to find the target strength for the mixed proportion. So using table number 1, that is assume standard deviation you will be getting from the table number 1, and you have the formula, that is FCK dash is equals to FCK plus 1.65, yes, where FCK dash is target mean compression strength and FCK is characteristic strength. So as we have M35 grade, we have a standard deviation according to the table number 1 is 5. So FCK dash is equals to 35 plus 1.65 into 5. When you multiply, you will be getting the FCK, that is target compression strength is 43.25 Newton per mm square. Then second point is selection of water cement ratio. Again from table number 5, that is IS 456 for RCC. The required water cement ratio will be getting from table number 5. So the table number 5 in RCC code book goes like this. So you have, yesterday I have already explained this table for you all. So exposure condition, then mild plain concrete, reinforced concrete. We have reinforced concrete. So reinforced concrete, and we have for moderate condition maximum free water cement ratio. So you have minimum cement content, minimum grade of concrete also. So what you will be doing, that is for moderate, what is the maximum free water content, that is 0.50. so our water cement ratio will be 0.5. Minimum cement content, again you will be getting from the table only. For moderate condition, you will be having that is 300. So minimum cement content is 300, water cement ratio is 0.5 for M35 grade concrete for moderate condition. So adopt water cement ratio 0.45. Next, selection of water cement. Selection of water content from table number 2, maximum water content from 10 mm down size aggregate will be 208 kgs, but that table is actually for 20 mm down size aggregate, 10 mm down size aggregate, 40 mm down size aggregate. So this minimum nominal size will be given, maximum water content also will be given, that is for 10 mm down aggregate we have 208, and for 100 mm slump we have to calculate, but the slump there is required is 25 to 50 mm slump, you have 208, but actual slump value is 100 mm. So remaining 50, that is remaining 50 should be split up into 25. For every 25 mm slump you need to increase 3%. So 3 plus 3 will be 6. So 6% you need to increase to 208 value to get the water content. And already they have mentioned that super plasticizer used is 22% up to reduction up to 22%. So out of 100, 22% should be reduced, that is water and cement content should be reduced up to 22%. So remaining will be 78%. So whatever the water content you have got, you need to multiply into 0.78. Next, fourth one is calculation of cement and fly ash content. Even they have told that fly ash is used instead of cement, so you can reduce the cement content also by using the fly ash. And fly ash used is to fly ash used in a problem. So fly ash, already have told you, fly ash used is 20% maximum is being used. So we need to reduce the cement content by 20%. So cement water cement ratio is 0.45. So cementitious material will be whatever the cement content we have got plus fly ash content you will be getting in the cementitious material. So 172 is nothing but the water content what we have got. So that should be divided by 0.45, that is water cement ratio. So you will be getting the cement content plus fly ash content also. According to table number 5 IS 456, minimum cement content is 300 kg, but we are getting more than 300 kg, so our problem satisfies. Next, cementitious material will be equal to whatever the cement content you have got into 1.10. You need to multiply, that is 20% maximum of that you need to multiply. So water content 172 liters you have got. So water by cement ratio will be 0.409. So 20% of total cementitious material you need to reduce. So 20% again fly ash is used, so cement will go on reducing, that is 420.2 into 20% you need to multiply. So cement will be, the remaining part will be cement, fly ash you are going to add, and even you are going to add the super plasticizer. So cement will be equal to, in cement you need to reduce that fly ash value, so you will get total cement value. So you are saving the cement about 84.04 kgs by using fly ash there. Next, proportion of volume of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Table number 3, that is, this table gives us the zone level for different downsize aggregate, that is for 10 mm, 20 mm and 40 mm. Depending upon the zone, it will be giving us the value of coarse aggregate per unit of the total aggregate. So we have now zone 2 for 10 mm down aggregate, zone 2 water cement ratio is 0.5. For 0.5 water cement ratio it is 0.46, because our tables is specified only for 0.5, but our present water cement ratio is 0.45. So we are having 0.01% more. So for that, every 0.01% you need to, for every 0.05% you need to increase 0.01 value. So 0.46 plus 0.01 you will be getting the water cement ratio, that is volume of coarse aggregate. Volume of coarse aggregate you have got. Then volume of fine aggregate will be 1 minus, in total volume you need to minus the coarse aggregate, you will get the volume of fine aggregate. Next, mix calculation. Yesterday we have already seen these formulas. So volume of concrete, we are designing the volume of concrete for 1 meter cube. So volume of cement will be equal to mass of cement divided by specific gravity into 1 divided by 1000. 1000 is nothing but, to convert kg per meter cube to kgs to meter cube, you need to divide it by 1000. So already you have mass of cement, specific gravity is also given in the question, substitute, find out the value. Then fly ash, similar again, mass divided by specific gravity into 1 divided by 1000. Volume of water, mass divided by specific gravity into 1 divided by 1000. So specific gravity of water may be given, may not be given, so directly you can assume it to be 1. Next, volume of chemical admixtures, mass chemical admixture also we have taken, that is 2% by mass of cementitious material we have already taken, that is mass divided by specific gravity into 1 divided by 1000. So this is that is nothing but whatever cement is there, of that 2% you have to take. Now mass of cement, what was the mass of the cement? 336.16. Of that 2% you need to take, so that will be the cementitious mass. In total concrete, that is 1 meter cube, you need to minus volume of cement, volume of fly ash, volume of water and volume of chemical admixture. So you will be getting volume in all aggregate. Using this you need to calculate mass of coarse aggregate and mass of fine aggregate. So mass of coarse aggregate will be equal to 0.68 into volume, already we have found out, of coarse aggregate, into specific gravity, that will be given in question, into 1000. So we will be getting the mass of coarse aggregate. Similarly you need to find the mass of fine aggregate also. So you already have found out the volume of fine aggregate. So substitute that into 0.68, that is all in one aggregate volume, into specific gravity, into 1000. So you need to multiply, you will be getting the mass. So at last you need to write whatever the values you have got, that is trial number 1. According to trial number 1, what are the mixed proportion or what are the quantities you have got according to the trial. That is cement is 336.16 kgs per meter cube, fly ash is 84.04 kgs per meter cube, water is 172 kgs per meter cube, fine aggregate is 955.06 kgs per meter cube, coarse aggregate is 862.92 kgs per meter cube, chemical admixture is 8.4 kgs per meter cube, and water content is 0.409. So this is, at the last you need to write what are the quantities, and you have got about cement, water, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate. At the last you need to write, as this is the trial we are doing, so you can mention it as trial number 1. So this problem is also related with superplasticizer. Thank you.